Today on Breakdown with Brad, we're going to be talking about the final walkthrough. Get it. Hold on, I'm having a breakdown. The final walkthrough is the last moment that you're allowed to enter the home and make sure that everything is in order before that closing date. Sounds daunting, right? Don't worry, it's not that bad. That's why you have a trusted agent. When I bought my first house, I had a list of goals that needed to be squared away so that the process of moving in would be as seamless as possible. I wanted to start with a blank canvas with our flair of furnishings and brand new appliances, so I made sure to negotiate with the seller beforehand that we would need all of their belongings removed as part of the agreement before making this our home. This is something that I wanted to start with my team. We'll make sure that everything goes smoothly for you as it did for me. Other than an inspection, the final walkthrough is your moment to make sure that all agreements are met before that closing date. This is a great time to see if everything is fixed up to your standards, or even check for tasks as simple as making sure that the home is clean before laying down the groundwork for you and your family. This is also a great opportunity for you to do any last-minute measurements for furniture. My team and I will make this process feel effortless and ensure that everything is how you want it to be before the keys to your home are in your hands. This is your home after all. For additional information, give us a call at 425-577-3739 or visit us online at bradleyhansengroup.com.